Okay, so we're here. I'm going to show you guys something that's really cool here. We have a table set. We got a table and chairs here. Got this table here. The thing is, this is all made out of recycled tires. This thing is, it's a tire. Everything is a rubber tire. It's got the table. It's got, you can see the two tires in the bottom. And they threaded the rubber, made a table out of the middle. This here is a good year. A good ride. This is a good ride. This is pretty cool. I've never seen nothing like this before. Very creative. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Are you ready to go swimming today?
Not yet.
Not yet. We're gonna wait for our room. So where are we at?
We're here at Rica'S Beach Resort in San Remigio, Anapog ang no? Anapog.
Okay.
Barangay Anapog.
You tell us about our accommodations. What do we got
Yeah, we get the deluxe.
for?
Good for 4 person,
Uh-huh.
but these 3 kids are not many person pa. They were
They're alien.
They're alien. They're still tiny, so they are free.
Yeah. We got our
with aircon, 2 beds, and then they are free the entrance.
Mhm.
Oh, quiet. Corals and the swimming pool.
They do have a
And
swimming
then,
pool.
Yeah, they have 3 feet, so no
okay.
worries for Liam and the kids.
And does this have beach access too? Regular beach access?
Yeah, there.
Oh,
We can
okay.
go there.
Yeah, we'll go walk around and get some video of the area. So they got a pretty cool little kid slide here. Little kid slide, and they got a little on top that fills up water and it flips over. I guess it keeps the slide. That's a 3-foot pool for the kids. You got another neat, cute little place here to sit. I like that. That's really nice. We got some rooms over here. These rooms don't look very big. They say we got the deluxe room, so I don't know what that means. It looks like we got a bigger pool over here. Yeah, a little bridge. He said ours is number 5.
1, 2, 3 naman to. I don't know what.
Oh, he's a cute little place. Look at this little place. This is nice. Looks like this is a place to take showers. You got a CR here, a place to wash up. Changing room, I'm guessing. No, that's a room to rent. There's a place for the over there is they have the bonfire area to sit out. That's kind of nice. It's low tide. Looks like a nice place so far, don't it? So what do you think about the this little place here? It's got a nice little beach out here. Look at that little beach out there.
I think ang atuwa kay katong kubo nga dako with aircon katong glass ba.
You think it's a different glass one?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Kay 1, 2, 3 raman to ang kuan. Ang katong cement ba, concrete. 1, 2, 3 nya number 5 man ata ta.
Number 5 is just
Check out na to tomorrow to
2
12.
12? Okay. So our checkout for our room is
12
o'clock.
noon.
And you paid 3,000 pesos for one night.
Yeah, no food, no breakfast.
There's no food or no breakfast here, but you can bring your own food like we do. We bring our our own little gas oil tank and pans and food and things
Yeah,
like that.
their restaurants still going.
Yeah.
They're still doing it.
So if we want to get restaurant food, we can get
Yeah.
restaurant food. And they got a nice. It looks like a nice pool.
Oh yeah.
We haven't been in the pool yet. We're still waiting for check-in is at 2 p.m. So we're waiting. It is now 11 a.m. So we got a couple hours. Actually, we got 3 hours. So this is our room. We have number 2. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh. Nice and cool. Pretty clean. Pretty floor. 2 queen size beds, which is going to be really good. Aircon. Place to hang your hat and your towels. It's just a plain room is what it is. Just a plain white room. But it's exactly what we need for why we're here. It's got a TV. No TV. Remote control. It's okay. Check out the CR. Nice clean CR. Shower. Big clothes. Some shoes here. But yep, this is it. This is our little room for the night, a little home for the night.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Oh, no, you don't wear your shoes in here. Give me your shoe. Give me your shoe. You don't wear them in. You don't wear those in. Where's the other one? Yeah, you take them off before you get in the water, okay? That was a fun one, ain't it? Whoa. Here comes JJ! Boink! Ta-da! The kiddie pool is pretty nice. It's only about, I don't know, maybe 2 feet, 2.5 feet, but it's nice. It's got a little bitty slide here. It's a very easy angle for the kids. Oh, there's Mama. Oh. Very good. Hi, hon.
Hello, your potato.
What you grilling?
Your potato.
What about my potato?
I bring a big potato.
Did you cook my potato?
Here.
Where's my potato?
There.
There?
Over there.
Oh, look what we got. What do we have cooking here, hon?
Pork, chicken, and
Pork and chicken.
there's a fish, but you will not eat fish.
You got fish in there?
Only one.
Only one fish. So what do you think of this place so far?
I like the surroundings, but the ocean not so good. The pretty one is in Kawit and in the proper.
What's wrong with
Sacred.
this? What's wrong with the beach here?
Rocky.
Rocky,
And
really?
then mud. When you step.
Lots of
it's
mud?
Yeah, it's a like a smell, like a black.
Oh, bad black.
Yeah.
Okay, so you think would it make a difference if it was high tide here? Or?
Yeah, it's different when it's high
Because it seems
tide.
like there was a lot of sand on the top part
yeah,
of that.
top part.
Oh, okay. All we've been doing is working.
School.
School, yeah, a lot of school. But we're very happy. We got our son did the end of his month exams, and
Oh yeah, I'm
he
so
aced
proud.
them. He aced his exams.
Excellent.
Cooking. Hey, good looking. Oi. Smells really good, hon.
Smells really good.
Really good.
Your belly is like.
Huh?
Your belly is red.
Yeah. Quack. Yummy, honey.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Woo. Hey. Liam, come here. Oh, look at the lights, Liam.
The next morning.
No, just beside me.
Here's your key.
Come on.
Daddy.
There goes the the march of the children. Yeah. Okay, so it's Kelly and I got my goofy black hat on, which of course I don't care if it's goofy or not. I don't want to get sun damage in my face. Like you can't do any damage to this beautiful looking little thing anyway. So we're down here at the beach, the wonderful beach. Look at this and behind me. I'm using my cell phone, so sorry about the contrast. Maybe it won't be so great, the video. So let's take a look around. So they got a nice little place to sit over here, as you can see, and Liam's playing in the sand. He'd been wanting to play in the sand for a while now, so looks like he found some sand. How's the water, Ma?
Cold, come here, it's cold.
Okay. And of course there's Ann.
Hi.
There's,
Hi, honey. Oh, the little guy is coming.
oh, there's the niece and nephew. There goes Liam.
Oh, I love your shoes, Daddy, look.
Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go get in the water too, because this looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, I'll get it.
There.
And they got a nice little place to sit over here. So you can sit here and enjoy.